Alright guys, so I'm on my way to pick up another car from Copart. If you take a look here, you could see the winning bid and what the car is. I actually didn't even mean to buy on this. We were just quarantined and was kind of bored and thought, hey, the inspection facilities are closed right now, so probably a good time to buy a car, but at the same time, you gotta store it and you gotta make sure you have space for it, and not sure if that's the best thing to do, particularly when the country's on lockdown. So we're going to pick it up because Copart is apparently still open. In Washington State, the governor has shut down all non-essential businesses, and Copart is apparently part of the essential business. I don't know how that works. We're gonna go and get the car and see what it looks like. Here we go. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm out here at Copart and there is a ton of activity going on right now. Not sure why, but I honestly did not want to come today to pick up the car, but I kind of had to because Copart was still open and I would have gotten charged storage fees for probably a week or two, and I just didn't want to incur that. They're doing a pretty good job here keeping 6 feet of distance just because the whole COVID-19 phenomena virus going on right now. But I picked up the car, just got through. I didn't want to film in there just because it really didn't seem like the Copart employees wanted to be there, and rightfully so. So I just picked up the car and just in line for the queue, there was quite a bit of people. Let me just show you guys some of the action we're seeing right now. There are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trailers in front of me, and then there's another 2 over there. So there might be 7 people in front of me. It takes about 3 minutes or so for each car to come through. But let me go ahead and just walk through some of the paperwork with you guys, some of the things that you guys might like seeing. Here's a little bit of the information. I'm just covering up my name and address and all that. I'm sure you guys don't really care, but basically I got an 03 BMW 325 Xi. I bid on it for $475. There was about $185 in buyer fees. Just wanted to make sure that wasn't mine. And then the virtual bid fee will always be there if you're doing an online auction, $39. The $59 is the gate fee. That's the charge that they charge for the machine to come out and bring your car out to you, and then the sales tax, and then all in all, it was so not too bad. I'm pretty excited to see. Basically, you can see here that the seller was an insurance company. I was a little worried that the seller wasn't going to be an insurance company, but it actually turned out all right. And so just gonna wait for the car to come through. Got the papers here. I got the key as well. It's not in terrible condition for being, 17 years old. It's not in terrible condition, so that makes me a little bit hopeful. There is mold in the car, so I am going to put some gloves on. I cut up a plastic bag because I don't want to be sitting in that, and honestly don't really want to get in the car. So hang tight. We'll wait until the car comes out. All right, there it is. All right, not very excited about that. Definitely right away not drivable. You can see that there's definitely some damage to this wheel, and it didn't quite look like that when I got the car. So yeah, this is in really bad shape, guys. I don't even I'm not very excited for this car. I'm just gonna tell you right now, it might have been a mistake for sure. But the exterior looks decent. Yeah, no huge damage. But it does look like it's in pretty bad shape. So we're gonna definitely need to tow this guy. Yeah, we're gonna need a tow. So let's just go ahead and get in here, see if there's even Yep, battery's dead. Damn, it is bad. Holy moly. I'm just gonna stand back for a sec. Because I feel like, bro, the mold is insane. Pictures did not do it justice. Yeah, I am screwed here. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but this might have been liquid damaged. Yeah, I think this was total due to it being liquid damaged. Yeah, guys, let's just go in there and check it out and see if we could maybe talk to them about that, because it wasn't marked as water damaged. Oh yeah, that's water damage, dude. This car's been screwed. Nope, not trying to touch it. All right, guys, I'm gonna run in. Here's some damage here as well. But guys, I'm gonna run in and see if I could talk to them about that. All right, guys, so it's clear. It's in a lot worse shape than we thought. So we're definitely gonna be doing some work on this car. I tried to go in and tell them it had some flood damage. You know, I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. It smells so bad in there. Literally, I'm just gonna hold my breath. Bro, there's literally still water in the car. I'm just gonna show you guys what the trunk looks like. There's legit water in the trunk battery area. Like, this is my car now, so this is my problem. Terminals look pretty new. So I don't know how water got in there. They said it's not water damage, flood damage. I don't know, man. Some pretty shady stuff. But yeah, my prob. All right, guys. Not sure if you can tell, but I'm not too happy about the purchase, but hey, we'll roll with the punches, see if we could make anything good come out of it. Stay positive. Let's go. All
gosh, just wanted to give you an update on the '03 BMW 325xi. That is a mouthful. Just got back home and I'm just gonna tell you how I feel right now. I really don't feel that great. I feel like the car that I just bought had a lot of problems on it. Yes, this is a huge lesson learned. If you're ever gonna buy a car on Copart, go check it out in person or know that it's a gamble. For me, I like the gambles, so I think that's why I bought it anyways. We're not in it too much money in hindsight. However, it does still feel bad. And I'll tell you why it feels bad, because the car had the left front wheel was bent in. So that was something that you just didn't see on the pictures. They took it at an angle where they didn't want to show that. Also, there was no battery in the trunk. There was water in the trunk area where the battery was. So that makes me think the car was car damage. Now, I talked to the manager at the North Seattle Copart, and he told me that he talked to the actual estimator of the insurance company, and that insurance company said that there was no water damage, there was no flood damage. So I'm gonna take their word for it. I paid an additional $140 to get it towed to our house, which I also wasn't expecting. But now I got the battery, and I potentially got some water damage. But we'll see what happens. I'm really excited to keep working on this new project, although I don't feel excited. So I'm trying to pump myself up. All right. All right, guys. So I just got the car into this space. Tow company was awesome. Guy named Steve and Megan. A couple that was towing for Copart, and so we established a relationship, which was pretty cool. They helped me out. They try to get the car started even though it doesn't have a battery, even though somebody just took it out. There's that wheel. It looks like it tried to start. Heard some clicks on the starter. I didn't show you guys the footage because there was a UPS driver driving in the back, and as you can see, it's sort of a narrow road here. It's sort of a apartment complex, and the cool part is I was able to get a parking pass from the manager. She just gave me a parking permit, and so really grateful for that. And so this is gonna sit here for a while. As you remember, the interior is pretty molded up, so either I'm gonna come out here and clean it, or we'll see what I do. So anyways, hey guys, I'm out here at Interstate Batteries getting a recycled battery for the BMW. They didn't have any at the pick and pull, so just out here, and it's just a big old warehouse. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but they have a ton of batteries here, and it's pretty cheap. I mean, this entire warehouse is full of batteries. I mean, holy moly. So I'm gonna wait my turn, and make sure I can get the right battery. All right, guys. So I was able to clean the trunk a little bit. Got the battery there. You can see there's a pool of water in there that I cleaned out as much as I could. The terminals actually look pretty dry. There's that. Old once again, not even gonna go over there. Looks pretty bad. But I did clean out this side just a little bit. I don't have an N95 mask, so just enough where I can get in, maybe hold my breath, start the car, see what's going on. So basically, I used distilled white vinegar and shop towels just to clean it up. Held my breath. Yes, I know I don't have safety goggles on. Okay, sweet. The cap
is there. We just need the filter. Let's plug this in. Clamp these down. Let's check. Okay, that's not good. Not sure what that was supposed to go to. Random towel here. That's not good either. Alright. Just clearing out that pipe there. Drain plug. Hello. Alright, let's just leave the towel there and see if I can start it up and see what's going on. Yeah, not very, everything's kind of loose, kind of broken, so it's gonna run rough. Let's see what it sounds like. Our seat's all working. Really start this bad boy up. See what happens, huh? Just trying. Might need a jumper. It's pretty simple. Okay. Not necessarily a great sign here. It looks like they've replaced the ignition coils.
Here I'm just checking the spark plug wells to make sure there's no fluid in there, and that's not causing the no start.
Alright guys, so as you can see, the holes look relatively dry. I did not bring a socket out that's long enough, so I'm gonna have to get one. So I don't think it's the spark plugs that are bad with it. I'm gonna check them again tomorrow or another day, but for now I'm just gonna put the plugs back in.
So the car starts. I'll take them on a tour. All right, guys, so I think the battery was just low. Got the car to start. That's great news. For a sec, I thought I saw white smoke coming from the back. So I was really not looking forward to that. But yeah, car's on, starts. Idle's a little rough. It works. Nice. Sweet, guys. Dude. Super happy with the moldy car right now. I was really looking at the worst case scenario, but yeah, it's running. So we'll figure out more what's going on tomorrow, but that really got me a little bit more excited. As you can see, we've probably got a bad fuse here and a couple check engine light on and all the other lights. So yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna take this out for a spin. Just a quick around the block and see what happens.